Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to trade spot with leverage on Bitget. First thing first, open the Bitget app or go to the website and tap on the trade tab at the bottom. Then select margin from the options at the top of the trading screen. At the top, use the search bar to find the pair you want to trade, for example, Bitcoin or USDT, then tap on it to open the trading interface. Now transfer some funds into your margin account. After that, tap BR button. Choose the crypto and the amount you want to borrow. Remember, your borrowing limit depends on your collateral and the leverage you choose. Once you confirm, the borrowed funds will appear in your account. Now, you'll need to decide on your margin mode. Cross margin, which is collateral, is shared across the positions. An isolated margin, collateral is limited to one position, which is safer for beginners. Then tap leverage and adjust it. For example, 3 or 5 multipliers, then confirm your choice. Now, you're ready to trade. Select your order type, limit or market, etc. Then enter the quantity and price. Tap buy if you expect the price to rise, or tap sell short if you expect the price to fall. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.